Guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video I'll be teaching you how to wig this wig that this 10 inches bone straight wig that I'm actually wearing on my hair. Yes, you get your mannequin, get a wig cap, place the wig cap on your mannequin, and you get a crayon, that's a measuring tape. So you place your measuring tape from your closure down to the bottom of the wig cap, and you measure it by inch per inch. Okay, so this is what it looks like when you measure per inch and you draw with the crayon from side to side. So these are the lines. You can see how I drew the line, right, from left to right. You follow the line to sew, and this is an in-between sewing. An in-between sewing means this wigging is an in-between wigging. An in-between wigging means that you sew, you follow the line, the first line, and you sew in between two lines. That's what in between wigging is. So watch what I'm doing. Watch my stitches. You see my stitches are actually almost invisible. You can't even see them. This is not a dirty type of wigging. This is a very clean, neat, professional wigging. Yeah, it's gonna take long, yeah, more than a day, sometimes even 2 days, but it's worth every effort. Watch my stitching, and this is what clients appreciate more. This is what our clients love. Something that is neat, premium, luxury, that is worth the value of their money. So you don't even need to rush the process. So watch my stitching. Look at it. You see how close I'm putting my stitches are to each other, and you see how tight and neat they are. Like you can't visibly see the thread. My stitches are close to each other. I'm pulling a bit tight. Watch what I'm doing, please, gently, please. This is the crucial point of this video. So now I've gone far. Look at now. So I'm close to the end of the cap. Like I said, this is an in-between wigging. So when you are close to the end of the cap, you're not going to sew. You're not going to maintain that line. You will slightly raise your hand above the next line you want to enter. Just watch, see what I do. So this is me going again and stitching tightly, stitching close to each other and stitching tightly. Please don't forget, guys, very important. Okay, so look at this is the line I've been actually stitching. You can see it's clean and neat. You can visibly not see my thread. That's very, very important. Look at, I even brought it close to the camera. You can see it. See how clean and neat it is. That's how yours should be at the end of each line. Your wigging should be as clean and neat and professional like that, so that the people can get the value of their money. All right. So now we've reached almost to the end of the cap. Yes. So you stitch close to the end of the cap, then you turn over. Like I said, this is an in-between wigging. Are you seeing it? You see what I did? I didn't carry the weft to the line above it. No, I came in between. I placed my weft in between the two lines. Please, if you didn't get it, you can rewind the video and see what I did. That's very important. This is a 10 inches bone straight wigging, so it's important that this is how it's being wigged to achieve that flawless and classy look that we are going for. So this is a wigging for a 10 inches bone straight, and this is how it's being done. And make sure when you turn over, you tighten your ends. You sew and tighten those ends very well, or else you're going to have a bump, and that's not what we want, right? So when your ends are secured and tight and laid flat, you can now proceed to sewing the other weft. You see, I've already secured the ends of my weft tied. So now you see me, I've already shifted my hand that says sewing. Just watch what I do, guys, and you get it. You can watch this video as many times as you can till you fully understand it. So this is me here in front of the shop wigging it. So I sell all types of hairs, bone straight, and also offer an online and offline class for this, okay? In-person training or online, you get. Yeah, so this is halfway the wigging. You can see how it is. You can see how sleek it is, laying flat. When you're done, place your hand on it. Make sure you're not having any bumps. Place your hand. You see how clean my stitches are, how neat it is. And this is the closure. I'll do another video showing you guys how to install a closure, okay? So this is the final look of the hair after cutting, stretching, and bobbing it. So guys, check my other videos for how to stretch and bob a 10 inches bone straight wig, okay? 10 inches, 8 inches, 12 inches, all right? Links in the description below. So this is how yours should look like at the end of the day. It shouldn't be anything. If it's anything lesser than this, you did not do it right. So it should be exactly like this, and you should have this shape. You should have the shine, and you should have that dangle. This is a 10 inches bone straight bob wig. This is the final look, guys. So let me know if there are videos you like to see more of me doing. And also, if there are any questions regarding this video, let me know down in the comment section. I'll really appreciate it. Guys, see you in the class, okay? So take care and keep shining every day. Bye.